Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay guys, so today, as from the title you must be already knowing, I am going to review the product of Mamaearth, that is ultra light Indian sunscreen. Okay, I have heard a lot of this. See, this is the box from outside. This is not a sponsored. I literally hope Mamaearth do sponsor me because the products of them are really nice, and this is the honest review. I don't know about this, and I hope it don't smell because face wash was smelling a lot and I didn't like the smell of that. So hope for the good for sunscreen. And what it says, we'll just read it out. It's Mamaearth Ultralight Indian Sunscreen with carrot seed and turmeric. For sun protection, it has SPF 50. Always remember, when you are going to buy sunscreen, it should be 30 plus and it's 50. So it's really great. And if you guys don't know, till now I use, like till today, I use Neutrogena 50 SPF 50. But this is something I really wanted to try. It's because I wanted to try Mamaearth ki products because I have heard a lot about them. And as it says, it's paraben free, it's dermatologically tested for Indian skin, and it has carrot, it has turmeric, and yeah, the basics. And the price of this is rupees 500. I have spent 500 rupees on this product, so just to try, and I was really curious like how it goes. So I'm opening this in front of you guys. Yeah, see, this is how it looks like this, and it simply looks as same as face wash. The tube is same, but it has obviously written ultralight Indian sunscreen, same thing on the box which I read. It is 80 ml. Okay, so it is 80 ml for rupees 500. It is quite costly, but it says that it has natural ingredients and it is plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. So it is environment friendly as well, and it is really nice. That's what they say, and we'll just try it. Okay, so I have just took bath and came out, and I haven't applied anything on my face, so I'll apply sunscreen. Okay, we'll remove the plastic from here. Okay, the smell is of saffron, I guess. Yeah, we'll just, oh, the consistency is really very runny. See, you can see on my hands, it is really very runny. So we need to take care of it. Always remember, when you are applying sunscreen, apply more amount of sunscreen because it is going to protect your face. No, the smell is really like, I don't know, I don't like saffron ka smell, I think, or else I'm just irritated with this smell because I used in face wash. Like, you can notice one thing, that all the Mamaearth products has almost similar type of smell. I think if we use for regular time, then we get used to it. Don't forget your ears, never ever. Never forget your neck, your ears and your hands, whichever is in front of sun. Yeah. See, it's really runny, so I think I have taken more. So always remember, if you are taking the amount of sunscreen you take regularly, you just lessen down when you are using Mamaearth product like Mamaearth ka sunscreen, because the texture of this is really runny, means it has more amount of sunscreen. Okay guys, so the review of this, like what I felt is that, first, I don't feel anything different than other sunscreen other than smell. Second thing, I still feel oily, so I need to apply my powder, compact powder. So if you know me and if you're following me, you must be knowing that always I apply sunscreen and then I apply my compact powder or a talcum powder. So I literally feel to apply that now also. So it's not like oil free, it don't make you feel like oil free. It is as normal as other sunscreen. and yes, it gives a good coverage. So if you are going for a heavy makeup or a good makeup, you can use this sunscreen because it literally giving good coverage. And next thing, I hope it works great if I go in sun. So I am hoping for that, since I have read a lot of reviews, good reviews for the sunscreen. So we'll just have a look and let you guys know in on my social media, so do follow there. And yeah, that was all for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a video. Yeah, bye bye, see you tomorrow.